Welcome! If you want to transfer data from Huawei smartphone to your Nokia 2.3, for the first you have to open the Play Store and get application to transfer data. I can recommend you this application, the name is CLONEit. So let's get it. We are going to send data with this application, and on this Huawei smartphone, of course you have to do the same. Let's open. If you got any request for the permission, you have to accept all of them. Click sender on your Huawei phone and receiver on your Nokia 2.3. Click search again. Click on this Android try icon. And right now we can connect in two ways. We can scan this code and we can input the password. So pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. Accept the request. And right now, when you want to send all of data, you have to tap on all of the icons. And right here you got the estimated time, there's 60 minutes, and also the size all of this data. There's 10.5 gigabytes, but of course I don't want to wait the 60 minutes to wait for all of data. So I'm going for the details below, and I will show you the example on one file, and I think that I'm going to send this song from the League of Legends Riot Games. So select, click start, OK, and as you can see it's finished. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!